Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on About Phone, scroll, find build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about them. Now we can go back to the system settings and enter developer options. They will appear right under the reset option. And here scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device, however remember about restarting and from time to time, so it will have a chance to download the updates. Of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.